Benedek. I've had enough of you. Our 18-year-old daughter slammed the door on us. I'm going up to Benedek. We could only hope that she meant the continuation of Castle Hill and not her shaggy-haired classmate who supposedly prefers bowling with his mates on weekends to preparing for university. We were almost calm when we saw our child's sunset selfie on Instagram. She was sitting next to the cross. The sun was setting behind her on the peaks of the Bakony Hills. But on her right, there was what looked like a shaggy man.